Your iPhone's screen is its window to the world, a portal to endless possibilities and experiences, and your window to its amazing capabilities. From browsing the web to watching videos and from playing games to reading ebooks, everything happens through that screen. A clean screen means a brighter display, sharper images, and more responsive touch sensitivity. It enhances your overall experience, making every interaction smooth and enjoyable. But beyond the aesthetics, a clean screen is also about hygiene. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Think about it. Your fingers constantly tap, swipe, and pinch that glass surface, transferring oils and dirt from your hands to the screen, leaving behind fingerprints, smudges, and even the occasional speck of lunch. These marks can accumulate quickly, making your screen look dull and dirty. Over time, this buildup not only dulls your screen, but can also harbor bacteria. These germs can transfer back to your hands and face, potentially causing health issues. Keeping your iPhone screen clean isn't just about appearances. It's about maintaining your device's functionality and your personal health. It's about protecting your investment and your health. A well-maintained screen ensures your iPhone lasts longer and performs better. By following a few simple cleaning practices, such as using a microfiber cloth and avoiding harsh chemicals, you can ensure your iPhone screen stays crystal clear, germ-free, and looking its best. So, take a moment to care for your screen, and it will take care of you. When it comes to cleaning your iPhone screen, gentleness is key. Your iPhone screen is delicate and requires special care to maintain its clarity and functionality. Using the wrong materials or techniques can lead to scratches, smudges, or even permanent damage. The good news is, you don't need harsh chemicals or expensive cleaning kits. In fact, many of the best cleaning solutions are already in your home. Avoiding harsh chemicals is crucial because they can strip away the oleophobic coating that helps keep fingerprints off your screen. Here are a few household items that are perfectly safe and effective for cleaning your iPhone screen. These items are not only gentle, but also cost-effective and easy to find. Microfiber cloth. This is your screen's best friend. The soft, lint-free fibers are perfect for wiping away fingerprints and smudges without scratching the surface. Microfiber cloths are designed to attract and hold dust and dirt, making them ideal for electronic screens. Distilled water. For those tougher-to-remove marks, slightly dampen a microfiber cloth with distilled water. Avoid tap water, as it may contain minerals that could leave streaks. Distilled water is free from impurities, ensuring a streak-free clean. Isopropyl alcohol, 70%. In a pinch, you can use a solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol diluted with distilled water, 50-50 ratio. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth, never directly on the screen. This solution is effective for disinfecting and removing stubborn grime. Remember, a little goes a long way. Always use a light touch and avoid excessive wiping, which could potentially push debris into the edges of the screen. Overcleaning can also wear down the screen's protective coatings, so it's best to clean only when necessary. By using these simple, safe cleaning methods, you can keep your iPhone screen looking pristine and functioning perfectly. Regular, gentle cleaning will help maintain the screen's clarity and touch sensitivity, ensuring your device stays in top condition for years to come. While there are many safe and effective ways to clean your iPhone screen, it's crucial to know what to avoid to keep your device in pristine condition. There are also some common household cleaners that should be avoided at all costs. Using the wrong products can lead to damage that might not be immediately visible, but can affect your iPhone's performance over time. Window cleaners. Products like Windex often contain ammonia, which is a harsh chemical. Ammonia can damage the oleophobic, fingerprint-resistant coating on your iPhone screen, making it more susceptible to smudges and fingerprints. Paper towels and tissues. These materials may seem soft and harmless, but they can be surprisingly abrasive. Using them can leave tiny scratches on your screen, which accumulate over time and degrade the display quality. Abrasive cleaners. Scrubbing powders, magic erasers, and other harsh cleaning agents are a big no-no. These products are designed to remove tough stains and grime, but they are far too harsh for your delicate iPhone screen. They will definitely scratch your screen and could cause permanent damage, making your device look worn out and old. Compressed air. While it might be tempting to blast away dust with compressed air, this method is not recommended. The high pressure can actually push debris into the speaker grills and other openings on your iPhone, potentially causing internal damage. Always opt for safer cleaning methods to ensure your iPhone remains in top condition.